Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Stripe for online transactions step by step clearly. To get started with Stripe for online transactions, visit the Stripe website at stripe.com. Click on the Start Now or Sign Up button. Fill in your email address and create a password. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new Stripe account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Business Settings section. Enter your business information, including your name, address, and type of business. Next, add your bank account details for payouts. Select the currency you want to accept for transactions. Now, go to the Developers tab to view your API keys. Copy the publishable key and secret key for integration. Integrate Stripe with your website or application using these API keys. For WordPress or other platforms, you can find specific plugins. Create a payment form on your website to collect customer payment information. Make sure to include fields for card number, expiration date, and CVC. Test your payment form using Stripe's test mode to ensure everything works smoothly. Switch to live mode once testing is complete. Monitor your transactions from the Stripe dashboard. Use the reporting tools to analyze your sales and manage refunds if needed. With these steps, you're now ready to process online transactions through Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.